everyone, welcome back to our channel Web2Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find working Walmart promo codes online. To find working Walmart promo codes online, you can use various websites like coupons.com, RetailMeNot, Groupon, CouponFollow, and so on. In this video, I'm going to use CouponFollow. So first of all, what you need to do is to go to your local web browser. Then type CouponFollow in the search bar, press enter, and now click on the first link from here. You will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. You can see different type of coupons here on this page. So now go to the search bar and type in Walmart. Then click on the first option right here. And you will have all these results of Walmart promo codes and coupons. So scroll through to check out all these promo and coupon codes. And when you find the one that looks promising to you, then click on show coupon code. So here you have your code and also the options to redeem the code. You can copy the code from here and apply it during the checkout at Walmart, or you can just redeem the code at Walmart directly from here. So this is how you can find working Walmart promo codes online. I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching.